Welcome back, office executives. I am here to discuss about percentage of total, which you can find from the quick analysis toolbar. So here is the name of some employees, and they sold these cartons. So the total would be the rate multiplied by the total number of cartons they have sold. Enter. So let me quickly select the wholesale and change the font size to 22. Okay, fine. So now I'll be dragging all the way across to the down. Fine. So let me find out the total sum. So for sum, instead of using alt equal to for Autosum, or in this particular cell equal to sum and dragging this range, we can use this particular box, quick analysis box, and from here total, select this first option, sum. Now when you want to find the percentage of total, let me make the screen a little bit smaller. Fine. So if you want to find the total percentage of total in the total section, this is a tricky one. Sum, average, count, total. But see here the total, the option, it is showing that the total would be here in the blue highlighted color is in the downward section of the selection. So this won't be, this is not the selection which we would be taking into account. So if we just scroll a bit in here, here is a percentage of total which is suggesting that from the range it would find the total. It is highlighted in light yellow, mud type of color. So it is percentage of total in this one. It will be shown beside the column from the selection. So we need to select this particular percentage of total. So let me again narrow down what I did. So I found, first of all, I did the total using the product, that is rate multiplied by carton. After that I selected the range, and from the quick analysis, this particular toolbox, I used this first sum, not this one sum. It would show the sum that is a sum below the column. So below the selection, the sum is this one, it is highlighted in blue. After that I just clicked in here, and there was a option for percentage of total, and it is highlighted in mud kind of color. So percentage of total, it would be the selections towards the right hand section, this selection is being suggesting. So this is the option which we need to select. That's the common mistake we do. Okay, fine. So now how can we how can I know that whether this value is proper or not? We can do a lengthy one. So what we can do is that we can select this one divided by the total and then multiplying it by 100. So Excel is a spreadsheet calculating, see, financial kind of thing. Okay, so here okay, so here 100 would be 100. I need to, anyways, so d star multiplied by maybe 100. I will be writing it in here, and then I will be locking the cell, F4, enter, and here in the H1 I will be writing 100. So the answer is coming properly. Now we can simply just click and drag all the way across to the, still the same error, D2 D15. Okay, so I need to fix the D15 as well. So I need to fix this D15 value as well. So function F4, fine, enter. Now the value would be coming properly, there will be no error. Fine. So we can reduce the decimal from here. In the number section there is increased decimal and there is decreased decimal. We can decrease the decimal up to 2 places. So Excel is a financial calculating, the calculations are, there are several options. We don't need to do this manually the way I did, the D2 D15 multiplied by 100, that is to find out the percentage of the total. We can just simply select this particular cell, and Excel has this feature of quick analysis. From here totals, we are selecting this particular option, percentage of total. So that's a small useful box, quick analysis box. What we can do with this quick analysis box, that's a small discussion over this video. Hope I being able to clear out what I just wanted to show it to you guys. That's all. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.